يراجع نفسه ويقول ماذا فعلت؟
He may look at himself and he may say to himself, what have you been doing?
فكيف تعاملت مع الله عز وجل هكذا؟
How could I have acted this way in front of Allah?
وكم أنا ضعيف.
Even though I am weak.
فيرفع يديه بين يدي الله عز وجل.
And then he raises his hands to Allah.
فيقول ربي.
And he says, oh my Lord.
ظلمت نفسي.
Indeed I have oppressed myself.
فاغفر لي.
So forgive me.
ربي إن لم تتداركني برحمتك فالويل لي.
Oh Allah Azza wa Jalla, if you don't show me your mercy, then I will be destroyed.
اللهم ارحمني.
Oh Allah, have mercy upon me.
اللهم أغثني مما أنا فيه.
Oh Allah, save me from what I am in.
فالله عز وجل يستحي من هذا العبد.
So Allah Azza wa Jalla will be shy from such a person.